In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your MacBook. It's a very simple and basic process. The easiest way is to just right-click on your desktop and then select Change Wallpaper. This will open up System Settings and take you directly to the Wallpaper section. Here, you'll see that your MacBook organizes wallpapers into different categories, like Dynamic Desktop or Landscape, along with various other themes. You can click on Show All to see everything in a specific category. If you want to use a specific wallpaper, just click it. If it hasn't been downloaded yet, you'll see a small download arrow. If it's already downloaded, it will apply immediately, and you'll see your background change right away. You can do the exact same thing for the other themes down below. Your Mac also has a shuffle feature, which automatically rotates your wallpaper. When you select a theme for this, your MacBook will automatically change the background for you after a certain amount of time. You can adjust the frequency right here, like every 12 hours, every day, every 2 days, or once a week. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see an option to add your own photos. This lets you use your personal pictures as your wallpaper. When you click this, you can choose a photo from your Photos app, which syncs with your iPhone via iCloud, or you can pick a specific image file from any folder in Finder. Just browse to the file, hit Open, and that image will immediately be set as your new wallpaper. If you want to find more beautiful wallpapers online, you can just Google MacBook Wallpaper 4K. I recommend checking out websites like unsplash.com, which is a great platform for high-quality images. Find an image you like, click on it, and then hit the arrow on the Download button to choose the highest resolution for the sharpest look. Aside from using System Settings, there's actually a quicker way. Once you have an image downloaded, just right-click on that file in Finder and select Set Desktop Picture. The image will instantly become your wallpaper without even opening the settings. That's it for today's quick guide on how to change your MacBook wallpaper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.